Chapter 9. A Passion for Cooking. Many people are afraid to cook Chinese food. They think it's difficult to prepare Chinese dishes. Cheng He Hong, a young chef, business owner, and TV star, is changing their ideas. She teaches people quick and easy ways to prepare Chinese food. Thanks to Cheng He, many people around the world now love to cook Chinese food. Cheng He was born in Taiwan in 1978. She first learned about traditional Chinese cooking from her grandparents. They shopped for fresh ingredients every day, and they always ate freshly cooked meals. When Cheng He was 11 years old, she and her family moved to London because her mother often traveled for work. Cheng He cooked meals for her family. Her mother taught her a little bit about Chinese cooking. Soon, Cheng He started to create her own recipes. She especially loved to make rice dishes and noodle soups. Cheng He studied economics in college, but her big passion was cooking. After she graduated, she started a fruit and drink company. She sold healthy Chinese foods and drinks to stores. In 2005, Cheng He had her first TV cooking program. The next year, she wrote her first cookbook. In 2008, she starred in another TV series, Chinese Food Made Easy. For this TV show, she traveled around the UK and taught people to make simple, delicious Chinese food. She also wrote another cookbook to go with TV show. Over 3 million people watch the TV series. Today, Cheng He is famous in the UK. Her TV shows are also popular in several other countries. What is Cheng He's secret to success? She creates recipes that combine traditional and modern flavors. She makes Chinese cooking fast and easy. And because she has a friendly personality, she is fun to watch on TV. Cheng He is a very busy woman, but she still finds time to relax. What does Cheng He Hong do in her free time? She cooks, of course.